Ho, 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 boys and girls of all ages. I'm here in San Marcos Plaza, and soon this park will be transformed into a winter wonderland filled with holiday music, delicious food, and some of my closest friends. Enjoy the live nativity scene, arts and crafts, the carnival, and spin under the tree of lights. I'll arrive with Mrs. Claus, so be sure to bring your Christmas list. With 4 full nights of fun under thousands of lights on the San Marcos River. The sights and sounds of Christmas, December 1st through the 4th.